Yo, what is up, June Squad? Today we got a Lego Trunks. So let's rip this thing and put it together, alright? Alright, how cool is a Lego Dragon Ball Z character? Alright, we're gonna chunk that. Alright, so this is the base. This is what we're starting from. No way. Dude, his head. Yo, how does that even work? Do y'all see that? Oh. Wow. Okay, did y'all see? I was trying. Alright, I was trying at first. Okay, and we have 3 arms. I don't know why we have 3 arms. I don't know if y'all see that. Oh my god. What am I doing wrong? Okay, so we're gonna... Okay, this is capsule core. Oh. Look at that. Okay. I see. I just had to open my eyes. I still don't know why we have, oh my god. Guys, I don't think the June Squad does good with Lego figures. I got little fat Vienna sausage fingers. Oh my god, he came apart again. Okay. We're gonna hold you tight from the bottom. Let's get your other hand on there, Trunks. Your hair's kind of covering your eyes. Let's try to... Oh, your head, the whole head just came off. Okay. He might have to stay like that because I don't know how I'm gonna... Okay. You might have to stay like that. So how does this even go on? Like that, right? I'm guessing. Do I put that on first and then I put the arm on? Uh-oh. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere, guys. I think that goes on like that. And then I snap the arm in, right? And then let's put the hand back in. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So the knife, the sword sheath goes like that, right? The sword goes in the sheath. And then look at that, dude. We got us a Lego Trunks. Oh. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. We still have an extra hand that we don't know what to do with. Oh my god. So how does it go? I'm trying to look up there. Look at that. Okay, so... Oh, duh. I forgot his arm goes in right there. Okay. Now I think we got it. Boom! Look at that. The finished product. And that's going to go right up there with our vintage Trunks. All right, see you next time, June Squad. Deuces.